Working a dangerous job doesn't mean your family's future should be at risk, or, expensive to protect. Life insurance companies base your price on risk, and risk is measured in real terms. They use decades of workplace fatality and claims data to determine how likely someone is to die on the job. Jobs like firefighting, oil rig work, logging, and underwater welding have much higher mortality rates than desk jobs, and that's reflected in your premiums. It's important to know that occupation risk affects pricing. It's not about you personally, but statistical risk. So what does that really look like in dollars? Here's a snapshot of typical rate increases compared to a standard low-risk job. For example, firefighters might see premiums go up by about 25 to 75%. Police officers could face increases of 25 to 100%. Roofers might pay 50 to 150% more. Oil rig workers could see rates rise by 100 to 200%. Loggers and commercial fishermen might face increases of 150 to 300%. And underwater welders? Well, they could see premiums jump by 200 to 400% or even more. These numbers show estimates. Your actual premium can be much higher or lower depending on your age, health, insurer, and, honestly, how they classify your role. One of the biggest eye-openers for many workers is this. The same job and same coverage amount can have very different rates depending on the insurance company. That's why, comparing at least 5 to 7 insurers can save thousands each year. Here are practical strategies to lower your premium even if your job is risky. Shop multiple carriers. Don't settle on the first quote. Use a specialized high-risk broker. They know who underwrites which jobs best. Document safety training and certifications. It shows you're safer than average. Optimize controllable health factors, like quitting smoking or getting regular checkups, because healthier profiles pay less. And maximize employer or union group plans first. These often cost less. Remember, most high-risk workers can still get life insurance. It just takes more strategy. And honestly, it's better to have coverage than nothing at all. Never lie about your job. It can void your coverage. Also, if you change to a safer job later, be sure to tell your insurer. Your premiums may go down. Thanks for watching. If you're in a high-risk occupation, don't guess your rate. Compare quotes, talk to an expert, and protect your family with confidence.